to you with a small Publix haul. I'm finishing up my Thanksgiving shopping. So Publix had a couple of items that I wanted to pick up. I picked up 16 items. So let's go through these items and find out what my final cost was. Okay, I did pick up the Nature's Own rolls. They were 2 for $6, so $3 a piece for these rolls. I did print out a coupon for $1 off each packages from coupons.com, so that took off $2. So that dropped it down to $4, and then Ibotta had $1 off. So that dropped it down to $2 or $1 each for each package of rolls. Then I went ahead and picked up my birthday freebie. If you don't know, on your Publix perk, one of the perks of shopping at Publix is on your anniversary, you usually get a bouquet of flowers, and then on your birthday, you usually can get ice cream or a bar cake. So like I said, I went ahead and picked up a bar cake, and it's carrot cake, and the cost of that was $7.29. So I used my birthday perk and got that free. Then I went ahead and picked up the Barilla or Benzo pasta at $1.50. So that was $3 for 2 of them. Publix had $2 off for 2. That dropped it down to $1. And then Ibotta had 75 cents off of each one. Total $1.50. So it made it free and a 50-cent moneymaker for the Barilla pasta. Then I went ahead and picked up 4 cans of the Carnation evaporated milk. Those are on BOGO at my store for $2.19. So 4 cans cost me $4.38. Then I went ahead and picked up some more Vanity Fair napkins. That's the 100 count everyday use. They were on BOGO for $3.59. I printed out $1.50 off of 2, and that is through their website. They do send you emails once a month. So I utilized my coupon for this month. So that dropped the price down to $2.09 or $1.05 for each one of the Vanity Fair napkins. I went ahead and picked up 2 bags of collard greens. They were $2.50 a piece. The last thing I did pick up was the Jeff Puff marshmallows. They were BOGO for $1.99. Ibotta had an offer for 25-cent back, so that was 50 cents off. So drop that price down $1.49 or 75 cents each. Then of course I picked up my black cherry soda for $1.25. And those were a total of my 16 items. So with my coupons coming off in my freebie Publix perk, I paid $19.71 plus my tax. What I got back was Fetch was 4 cents, Ibotta $4 for 3 offers, Merryfield 2 cents, My Points 9 points, Shop Mayhem $1. So it was $5.06. So your final cost is $14.65 for 16 items or 92 cents a piece. But that's all I have for you guys today. And if you haven't finished your Ibotta rebate for your turkey, you have a couple of more days to finish that up and get your turkey before Thanksgiving. If I don't talk to you soon, have a happy Thanksgiving and talk to you later. Bye-bye.